Oh, I regret this already. My arch nemesis. Stairs. I feel like the view in itself is pretty worth it.
You slowly seem to float away.
What?
There's a viewpoint here, there's an observation deck.
Yep.
There's another observation deck.
Yep.
There's a fucking garden up there. Which I don't think has anything to do with the bamboo.
No, it shouldn't. There's quite a number